Assalamu alaikum. We are back with the neurological assessment. I am Dr. Iram and she is my student of 4th semester, Dr. Kurtulan Rajput. Today we are going to perform the slump test. In the previous video, we performed the SLR to stress the neurological structure in lower limb, mainly the tibial nerve, peroneal nerve and sural nerve. Today we are going to perform the slump test. After completing the slump test, we are progressively compressing the neurostructures to be going to reproducing the patient symptoms of paresthesia and shooting pain of lumbar spine of lower limb. And the main structures that are affected in this test are the lumbar spine nerve roots, sciatic nerve, and the dura mater. So as we do this on both sides in clinical practice, it's very important so you can differentiate the patient symptoms on both sides, on the affected side and the unaffected side. The patient is in the sitting position and the therapist standing on the same side being tested. First, we ask the patient to please flex your cervical and thoracic spine. Please put your hand on the back. The therapist put his elbow on the patient's shoulder and gently depress the patient's head with his hand, as you see. Now, we ask the patient to please raise your leg, mean extend your knee. And for further sensitizing the nerve, we ask the patient to please dorsiflex your foot. And then we ask the patient, is you feel any symptoms of paresthesia or shooting pain? If the patient feels the same, this means that the neurological structures are under tension. For confirmation of dura mater, we ask the patient to please relax your neck. If the patient feels the same symptoms as earlier, this means that the dura mater is involved. And if the patient relax after relaxing the neck, means the dura mater is not involved. This is the confirmation test. This test is examine of sciatic nerve and other neurological structures in the lower limb. If we diagnose them, then treat accordingly. In the next video, we are going to discuss the other neurological test, tension test of lower limb. For this time, thank you. Allah Hafiz.